Here's a 1970 Dodge Challenger. This is a true RT Challenger. It is also a numbers matching 383 car paired with the Torque Flight automatic transmission. This is the original color it would have came in. It's an EF8 car, so it's dark green metallic, black vinyl interior with buckets. It also is a bucket seat car, which would have been C55. You can check out the still pictures, so you can check out the data tag options on it. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. This car has 5,000 or less miles, probably a little bit less since the restoration was done. Get into some of the details on this car. The glass is actually original all the way around the car except for the windshield. Show you something cool too when we talk about the glass, since we're mentioning that. I'll roll up this rear window here a second. Actually has the original Scat Pack decal on it. That's not a repop, it's actually original decal. Date coated glass. It is in the Galen Gouvier registry. It does all check out. See, it's an automatic transmission, bucket seats car like we talked. It also has power steering, power brakes, and AC. So this is a nicely equipped car, and it is a stock AC car from the factory. Also has dual exhausts as you come to the back, which with an N41 code. Like I said, that AC was an H51 code. You can check out that data tag, make sure all this is correct. And again, the still pictures, data tag, they can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll go ahead and fire this up in a second so you can hear it run too. Very nice running, driving car. Again, less than 5,000 miles since the restoration. Down here, see the AC controllers, still the stock dash, door cards. Again, the black vinyl interior with buckets, which is the way it would have came. Let's go ahead and fire this up a second. Not too cold a blooded car. Let her warm up just a tad here. Should get it to idle pretty good. Beautiful rumble out of 383 Magnum. Come around to the back so you can hear it. What an awesome car to be able to pull into a show at or even your local cruise night. This thing will definitely turn heads. Paint's beautiful on it. Very original looking car. AC car to boot. A true RT. The build sheet is with this car even. So if you got any questions, feel free to give us a call. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. And like I said, you can check out all the still pictures. They can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see the underside, engine bay, trunk, interior. 1970 Dodge Challenger RT 383 Magnum, numbers matching, automatic Torque Flight transmission, factory AC car, power steering, power brakes. Give us a call.